Omonia has a reputation of being a more problematic area of Athens. I often get questions from tourists that want to come and visit Athens and ask me if they should come and stay in Omonia. I'm Greek, I'm Athenian, I have lived here all my life, and I can tell you which areas are safe to stay in Omonia and which you should avoid. Omonia is one of the oldest Athenian squares and has always attracted all kinds of people. Nowadays you will see all around there are a lot of hotels, very nice bakeries like this one, Veneti, has really good stuff. There's a supermarket here because I remember tourists complaining that there are not enough supermarkets. And has a lot of old shops with all kinds of goodies, touristic goodies and everyday clothes. And of course there are taverns that you can sit. And all around you see the exits of the metro. If you choose a hotel that is on Omonia Square, it's one of the safest places to stay in Omonia area. Omonia Square is right over there, and here you will see a lot of abandoned buildings like this old cinema that used to be a sex cinema actually, and a lot of new public section buildings like this one right across. And here is the department of the university. It's sociology here and business administration. So this is university. Right across we have the National Theatre. It's an incredible neoclassical building where some of the most important performances in Athens occur, but it works of course only in winter. And on this side we have another imposing monument. This is the church of Agios Konstantinos. In this square, right across from the National Theatre, you have some really lovely buildings. Here is the entrance of the church. Yeah. And all around you have this building. Look at this colorful balconies and this beautiful windows. Okay, this is not very nice, but this is a hotel here. It's called Delphi. Look how lovely it looks a lot like a French building, I would say. Yeah, let's check it out. So here it is. So it's Art Hotel. That looks safe to me. Also, right across there's another hotel here. There. This one. You have to understand that Omonia is not like Plaka or Syntagma or Monastiraki where wherever you go, it's okay. Here, it can also be okay, Although when you look around, you see a multicultural environment, which is not great fit for everyone. But it also doesn't mean that it is dangerous because it's multicultural. Having said that, if I wouldn't come here all alone as a woman working at night. I wouldn't, never. Well, maybe I would if I was 19 and 20, but now I wouldn't. So as soon as we finish from the area of Kostadinu Church, the next street is called Nikiforu. And here starts the difficult part of Omonia. This is Satovriandou Street, and as you can see in this area there are no cars parked, and so yeah, this is an area that you don't want to walk alone at night, especially if you're a woman. So this is, those are residents, and people have tried to protect their entrance with all kinds of gates, here and there and there, because the part of Omonia toward Metaxouria is dominated by drug users. And which are not per se dangerous, but I don't know. I don't think that it is a very safe and very appealing thing to do while you're on your vacation in Athens, in Greece, and be surrounded by this type of people in your hotel. So stick to the area around the square and the hotels I showed you. We're gonna walk a little bit more to the dodgy area of Omonia. If you wonder why there are so few people around, it's because it is August 8th, 2026, and everybody except me, as you can see, is on holiday. Is somewhere on an island, enjoying their lives. Not far from the square, actually we are one block away from the square. We are in Socrates and Satovriandou, and here is another group of people that you may don't want to meet at your vacation. Here is the prostitution center. There are some girls on my right, but I don't want to film them. Okay, but this is in the evening. It's full of women here, and as I said, we are just one block, so the area is off limits again. Okay, so here this is the pedestrian from Hondo Center to Veranzeru Street, where there's the police station. I would say that because it is the police station, you are safe. Here is a very nice milk shop. This is a Greek yogurt and rose pudding and cream and vanilla. One of the best in Athens. And look how, let's see, established in 1951. 31. Very nice. Istani. So if you find a hotel in Veranzeru, well, let me show you there. Police station is right across, is over there. You see? And next to it, it's a lovely hotel. It's called International Antennes. It's definitely safe hotel to book. Definitely. And it's quite nice, quite white. This one, you see? We are one big block. Omonia is over there. Apollonion, very nice bakery. There's a very nice hotel as well. It's called Vision. It's right here. This is called Lavrio Square. Safe. It's just 2 minutes walk to the metro. We are now in Patision Street, and of course one of the most famous hotels near Omonia is Polis Grand Hotel and Melia residence over there. Safe hotels to stay here, and this is the department store, Zara.
Sí, por ahí, sí, no, a la derecha, por ahí. Sí, pero no. Ζυγουάλα. Λοιπόν, τώρα θα μιλήσω. So why would you stay in Omonia? Omonia has a very nice budget properties, and this is the reason why it is quite popular. And also if you are, a lot of people choose it because of the convenience of the location, and they prefer to stay in a bit more rough area of Athens. In front of me you see the municipality of Athens, here. And this is Platia Kotia
First bank.
with one of the, it has the first bank of Athens, it's National Bank of Greece over there, has lovely neoclassical houses. There are ancient ruins over there. This strange statue. And again, it is one block from Omonia. So, would I suggest a first-time visitor to Athens to stay to Omonia? No, I wouldn't. I would say if your budget allows you, I would suggest go to, if Plaka is too expensive for you, or Syntagma, or Monastiraki, I would say go to Koukaki, Psyri, Thysio, Pagrati, and if you book early, months and months earlier, you can even find some good deals in Plaka. But if you are a repetitive visitor to Athens and you are budget-wise, you can go to the areas I showed you. I hope this video helps you decide. I'm going to leave some links to the hotels that I believe are the safest in the area. And if you choose to stay there, I wish you have a wonderful time in Athens. Bye from me. See you soon in the next video. Bye.
Μένω στο χωριό. Λοιπόν, έβαλα τα αρχεία πάνω για να μην τον αφήνω. Είναι και το είδε, της αποκάλυψε την Γιουτσόνα, τώρα
So